Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Hamster Kombat as a beginner. First, you'll need to have the Telegram application installed on your device. If you're in a country like Pakistan where Telegram is restricted, you will also need to install a VPN to access the app. So, before starting, make sure you turn on your VPN. You can use any VPN that works for you. Now, open Telegram and you'll be prompted to create an account. Enter your phone number and continue. After entering your number, Telegram will send you a code. Input that code to verify your number. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to enter your name. Fill that in and continue. Now that your Telegram account is set up, you'll need to follow a specific link to join Hamster Kombat. You can use the link in the description to join Hamster Kombat. This will open up the Hamster Kombat bot inside Telegram. Once the bot loads, you'll see an interface with a play button. Tap on that play button to begin the process. The bot will guide you through a few introductory steps. Follow the instructions by tapping Next as you proceed. Once you reach the final step, you'll be able to tap on Play and you'll instantly receive 5,000 coins as a reward for starting. By the way, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I've found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs, or strategy, Kinguin has thousands of games available for you to download and play for cheap using their discount codes. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out.